Hey everyone, welcome back to Gretchen's Vegan Bakery. Today I have another quick one for you. Rocky Road donuts with my best recipe for chocolate cake donuts. A small batch of chocolate buttercream, some marshmallows, and walnuts, and you've got yourself breakfast? Okay, I'm not so sure donuts were ever a proper breakfast choice, and these surely look more like dessert to me, but hey, who am I to judge? You can eat these whenever your heart desires. It is so easy. The recipe for chocolate cake donuts is a one-bowl mix. You are literally throwing everything into a bowl, whisking it by hand, and then you are going to need these donut pans to bake them in, but they literally bake in less than 10 minutes. Okay, maybe 12 minutes, but who's counting? And then really all you have to do is whip up a small batch of chocolate buttercream, and by adding cocoa powder or some cooled ganache at the last stage of mixing my best vegan buttercream recipe, you have instant chocolate buttercream. Grab your nuts and get some of these awesome Dandy's marshmallows, and you are strolling down Rocky Road, my friend. So chocolate, walnuts, and marshmallows is the classic combination that makes up anything Rocky Road. If you can't do walnuts, it's totally fine. You can add in any kind of a nut that you do prefer. So a drizzle of chocolate ganache at the end to tie this all together, and you have yourself the easiest, new, coolest donut flavor to share with all your friends. Or don't share them, I won't tell. But I will tell you to get your butt over to GretchensVeganBakery.com to grab this recipe and so much more about vegan baking in general. So what are you waiting for? Alright, well thanks for watching my video and for the likes and the comments and the shares. And if you're not yet subscribed here to my channel, I certainly wish that you will. You can also follow me on Facebook, and I just recently got myself back onto Instagram after I was hacked a couple of years ago. So if you do all that social media, be sure to check me out over there too. Alright everyone, thanks again for hanging out with me here, and until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.